Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Just recently I picked up a new mod for the Z. You guys can probably already tell what it is by the title of today's video, but a couple days ago I went ahead and picked up some new side skirts for the Z. Found these online for a pretty decent price. I seen another Z owner with the same splitters, and to be honest, these look pretty freaking sick, so that's why I decided to pick myself up a pair. These are just some universal ones, already painted black. They are a little bit long for the Z, so I do have to cut a couple inches off, which is perfectly fine. But I feel like the Z looks a little bit boring right now, so we're going to add some more spice to it. But before we get started with today's install, do me a favor, go down below, leave a like, subscribe to the channel if you're not already, and let's go ahead and get started with today's install. Alright, like I said, I do have to cut a little bit off. I already marked where I need to cut. The scary part is that I don't trust myself with the saw, but I'm gonna do it anyways. You have the safety glasses? Because I don't trust myself with that. So I'm still gonna do it though.
Wrap it up.
Okay, that's not a bad cut. Honestly, that was gonna be a lot worse. Alright, well that's clean. This belongs to the garbage. Alright, so right now we pretty much have it where we want it. We're just gonna go ahead and see where we need to drill first before we put in any screws, and then we should be done with the driver's side. Then after that, gonna cut the passenger side and then throw this one on as well. Alright guys, finally got everything all bolted up. I'd say my cut is pretty okay. It's not the best, but it got the job done. So now we're just gonna lower the car and see how it looks. But so far it's looking good. Okay, let's see. Real quick, this is no splitter, just naked side body right here. You need to come over to this side, add a little bit of more aggressiveness to the side. We're gonna hurry up and do the other side because the sunlight's about to go down, or the sun's about to go down. So let's hurry up, do the passenger side, and I'll show you guys how it looks after it's all finished. Alright guys, I am now at a random place that I just found with some pretty good lighting. Both of these side splitters are now on, and let me tell you guys, this looks so freaking good. I knew splitters would make a pretty big difference, but to be honest, I was not expecting it to make it look like, it made it look lower and look more aggressive. Like, they honestly look so freaking good. Let me just show you guys real quick. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the little cinematics of the new side splitters. If you guys think they look nice on the Z, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. I personally think that these look super good. I've seen one Z on Instagram with the same ones. Once I seen those on his car and how clean they look, I knew I had to cut myself a pair. So man, I really need to get some rollers of this car soon. But before I get any pictures like professionally done, I'm probably gonna cop wheels first and then have like a whole photo shoot with the car. But for now, let's just add the little details to put it all together, if that makes sense. Like before I get the wheels, let's do side splitters, front lip, rear diffuser, wheels, and then I'll probably just do like a whole photo shoot with the car. But I still can't get over how good this car is looking. Like that just looks so good. Even when like just lowering it made it look good already, and then adding the side splitter to it just made it look even lower on the side profile. I'm honestly really happy I went with these. Like, these just look so sick. I went ahead and took some pictures of the car as well that I'll probably post on IG. So if you're not following me on IG yet, it'll probably be right here or link in the description. So if you see the new picture up, go ahead and double tap that for me. But yeah, that's pretty much going to conclude today's video. I know it was pretty short. I'm not sure exactly how much content I got. Hopefully it's enough. If you guys enjoyed today's video, you guys already know, go down below, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace. Alright dude, shut up. But alright guys, so finally got everything all bolted up. I say this prut